Okay, so we'll apply dimension class. So dimension, you just type di for dimension. So here. So you type di. Nata sa finished floor level. So on the wall, you have to hover lang on the center. Para maigo gid ang center, select ang wall center lines. Okay, so ma-detected ang center of your wall. So hover, so it's detected kanang blue hidden line. Click lang ka, then hover on the center, then move na siya dere kana. Then the tool is active gyapon, so click the total, click the center lines kana. Okay, then active gyapon ang tool, hover on the wall to get the center lines. It will detect automatically class. Okay, get the total, click, then click. So dali ra siya basta nakaset to wall center lines. Pero kung nakaset to wall faces, yang i-detect na isa katong mga faces, no? Surfaces. Yeah, escape to end the tool for dimensioning. Next is grids. So numbers, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, ABC, ano. Kasi natay column index mo gina, no? We provide column index. Arita sa architecture. Okay, and then arita sa grid class. No? Okay, again, architecture. Then arita sa datum. Yeah, grid. You can type GR. Okay. Okay, so here, naka-active na ang tool. Let's say here, no? We'll find the center of the column. So then siyang i-click and then imo lang i-hover above. Click lang ka. Okay, now, nagsugod siya E because na-set naman siya previously, no? Nakabuhat naman. So to change that, you just have to click on the text. Click on the text only. And let's say ato na siyang ibalik sa A. Or 1, no? Like 1 ba? Since A man atong gibutang, inig next sana, if you click this, automatic na siya nga mo B. Okay, likewise, kung 1 na siya dire, you set that 1, automatic mo 2. Okay? So, let us continue. There is a side. Example, diha ta. Click that and then over on the side. As you can see, isumpay siya, C. Pero ato maning ipares, no? Kung nakay letters dire, numbers dire. Kung numbers dire, then letters diyan. So atong i-change to numbers. You click on the text. Over on the text, click that, then 1. Okay? So next, clicking ana, the tool is still active. Click that, then matik na siya. Dos. So again, the purpose of column index is being able to identify the exact location of columns. Okay, let's say the principal architect will cite verify column 2A. So kanira no 2 yeah A. So mo nga column ang i-pertain